G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix Up. Today we are making the Aperol Spritz. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is have a nice stemmed wine glass. We're going to load it up with some ice. And we're going to cut a nice piece of orange, a little wedge. Just going to slide that down the inside of the glass. All right, about 90 mils of Prosecco. I reckon that's about right. Going to do 60 mils of Aperol. And before we top up with soda, I'm just going to put a little bit more ice in there. And then top up with some soda water. As easy as that. There you have the Aperol Spritz. Enjoy.